Hello everyone, welcome back to another very important session of Dr. Saurav's classes, and we were doing FINRA questions. So FINRA series is going on. All the FINRA students who are applying for, who are willing to apply for FINRA examinations, who want to clear this examination, please be present in my class and try to solve these questions, because we are solving it together, we are learning it together, we are helping each other, and at the same time we will crack this question. Meanwhile, while we are talking, you will see that your paper is done just within a minute. Okay, see how fast you will learn through, because in my video what I try to do is that I try to give each and every point, even the options which are not correct, I try to talk about that as well, because why they are not correct. So in that process you learn very fast. Okay, now if a firm submits a request to quote a security over the NASDAQ workstation, the firm will receive approval to enter quotes within 48 hours, within 72 hours, within 5 days, on the same day the request is made. First, what is asked? It's asked that a firm wants to start quoting a security on NASDAQ. That has been given, right? And question is, how fast does NASDAQ approve this? This is the primary question. The firm approval, so how fast NASDAQ approve this. Okay. Now, what is the cold rule? Come over here and learn over here. NASDAQ market maker authorization rule, please learn. NASDAQ market maker. What does this rule stand for? When a firm requests to enter quotes, approval is given on the same day. So it says that when a firm requests to enter quote, approval is given the same day. Got it? Think of NASDAQ like a live marketplace. Okay, NASDAQ is a live marketplace. Think of it like a live marketplace. Okay, so what happens here? What happens? First of all, if a shop wants to start selling, the market doesn't say come back in 3 days. Does it? No. It allows same day participation. So basically, if a shop wants to start selling, will the market say they come back after 3 days and start selling over here? No. You can just keep, if you have a shop, you can just enter your shop, you can start your day over there, you can just keep a board over there that the shop is open. If you have got some trolleys, if you are selling on carts, you can just roam around and start selling in the market, right? So it allows same day participation, basically same day participation. To keep liquidity flowing, this is important, to keep liquidity flowing. Now, coming to the other options, 48 hours too slow. Too slow, it will never happen. 72 hours even slower. Again, even slow, not a rule even. 5 days, all wrong. So only correct is on the same day the request is made. So NASDAQ is an electronic fast market. Okay, it is NASDAQ it's an electronic an electronic fast market. Okay, most approvals and actions happen immediately or same day, and Nasdaq equals to now or not later. It's always Nasdaq always means now. Okay, Nasdaq means now. That is, you can keep it handy for yourself. Now, why wouldn't Nasdaq delay approvals? Tell me. This is very important. Why? Why wouldn't Nasdaq delay approval? First of all, you have got a point that it's a live market. Liquidity needs, that we have already discussed. We have talked about this liquidity. Liquidity is essential, correct? Then competition between market makers. This is very important. Competition. So when you know why Nasdaq won't delay, competition among the market makers, you will never make the mistake. Then comes fast electronic execution environment. Okay, fast execution environment. So we have discussed about Nasdaq, about why Nasdaq doesn't delay, why it happens so fast. It's an electronic fast movements. It's like a live market. Nobody's asked that you will come after 3 days and start selling. No, you come, you start doing it right now. Okay, Nasdaq means now, that we have given. Okay, so I guess that you have understood this, and I hope that the question and the answers are quite clear in front of you. Still, if you have got any doubt, the number is right in front of you. The screen it's 90623952123. You can call us, WhatsApp us, or ping us, and let us know about your doubts. Our dedicated team is there. Our team, like our student counselor, then educators and teachers who are always ready to help you out. They are helping you out, and you are just a phone call away. Just pick up your phone, bring it over here, and you will get study materials. You can appear for mock test, anything you need. Okay, let's end this video over here. Take care, have a lovely day. Bye bye.